Good morning. John Gilkison here. It's Wednesday, March 25th, I think, 2020. And we're finishing up the grouting on this tile. Got a little bit too much light down here in part of it. Let's see if I can get a curtain closed. But anyway, I want to go over this with you. I can't really go over the whole process with you because it's too many different separate processes, but needless to say, I had to mix up the grout first, which is right here. And I have a bucket of water over here. I have a rag. I have a float, a couple putty knives. We got 3 sponges, which we'll need a little later. See if I can't get this curtain closed a bit. I think that'll help a bit. Okay, well, I'm sorry I'm going to be out of the screen. It's just very hard to show the work and be in the picture at the same time. So anyway, the basic process here is going to be, I'm going to take a putty knife and I'm going to pookie grout in all these cracks which are left. We've grouted all this the other day. So we're about 70% done, I think. So I'm just going to demonstrate on these couple tiles here, and then we're going to try to clean it up, and then we'll cut the camera. So here we go. These are 3/8 inch grout lines. So this is it right here. Big old putty knife. Get a chunk of it out, see how the consistency of it, how it sticks up on the, and then I just work it in. See? This is a messy process, there's no doubt about it. It cleans up really nice once the grout dries. It's difficult to clean it first because the grout's still wet. So you kind of have to leave it go for a while, and it'll glaze. You know, you get the tile cleaned up as best you can without disturbing too much the grout, except wiping it over once. The sponge will really make a neat appearance on the grout, but you can't keep disturbing it over and over while it's wet. And this grout really will get hard, and that's why you have to be careful to clean up the bucket when you're done, because otherwise it'll set up in the bucket. You'll just have a rock in the bottom of your bucket that's really hard to get out. And so you have a good working time on it. I mean, got an hour or so to work with it, so. See, I'm going across it at 45-degree angles. That helps work it in. Okay, I'm going to stop right here. We'll try to pick up a bunch of grout that's just on the tile. That'll make for less cleanup. So this is my bucket of water right here. I'm going to throw the tool in there and I'm going to wet my float. Okay? And all this, see, I'm going over at a 45-degree angle. This helps work it in and then it flattens it. And you get some on the tool itself, which you can put back in if you get low spots. Now you get some on your hands too occasionally. This is the reason I have a rag over here. So it's pretty clean. I'm rubbing the stuff off the float right now. And my rag. Okay, we're good. We're at 9 minutes. We're good. We're going to get this done. Now, I'm going to take a sponge. I got 3 of them. We're going to set this aside. Get the tools out of here so I have room for the float sponges. Wring them out pretty good. first thing you're interested in is not really sponging the grout lines that much. You're trying to clean up the tile and the surrounding areas first, getting the gross stuff out of there. So, for example, like so. See how I'm trying to avoid the grout lines? Can't do it completely, but I'm going to go ahead and wring out all 3 sponges. I have another bucket of water, but I'm not going to get it out right now. Now see what happens when I wipe over the grout line? But that cleans up the grout lines really nice. But it smears quite a bit of stuff over the tile again. But as the grout dries, then you smear less and less as you go along. You can see how that's really cleaning up nice. The grout lines, I mean. This is our first cleanup. And then you're actually going to leave it set for a while. Once you get your grout lines one pass each and cleaned up real nice, you're going to try to limit yourself to just cleaning the tile. But you'll come back and there'll be a haze over the tile. Okay, we're going to stop here. I'm coming up on the 15-minute line. So, now I'm going to come back later and clean this up some more. And the grout will have dried more by then. So, but you get the picture. And all this will haze up. But the grout lines are really nice right now. And you don't want to keep disturbing them. Because all you do is make them worse after a certain point. So there you are. See you all down the road. Hope you like the video. Bye-bye, everybody.